move on and welcome back to our channel. Ngayon, papasok tayo sa mundo ng printables at ipapakita ko sa inyo kung paano gumawa ng magagandang printables gamit ang Canva. Whether you're making planners, invitation, or art prints, Canva has you covered. First things first, if you are not familiar with Canva, it's a user-friendly graphic tool that's perfect for beginners and professional alike. With its drag and drop interface and extensive library of templates, you can create anything that you dream of. Wala ka pang Canva, pumunta ka lang sa canva.com, mag-sign up. Libre itong gamitin, pero meron din silang pro version na may mas maraming features. Pagka-login mo, makikita mo ang dashboard mo. Ito ang starting point na para sa lahat ng creation mo. Maraming template ang Canva na pwede mong pagpilian. Para sa tutorial na ito, gagawa tayo ng planner. Weekly planner. I-type lang ang weekly planner sa search bar at i-browse ang mga option. Piliin ang template na gusto mo at i-click ito para simulan ang pag-customize. Now comes the fun part, customizing your template. You can change the text, fonts, color, and even add your own images or illustration. Simulan natin ang pag-edit ng text. I-click lang ang kahit na anong text box at i-type ang content mo. Para palitan ang font, i-click lang ang font drop-down menu para piliin ang gusto mong font. Remember, you can also adjust the font size, color, and alignment to make sure everything looks perfect. Next, let's add some elements to make your planner more unique. On the left-hand side, click Elements. Here, you'll find a variety of shapes, lines, and graphics. I-drag and drop ang mga elements na gusto mong i-add sa design mo at ipwesto kung saan mo yun gusto. Pwede mong i-resize at i-rotate ang mga elements na ito para perfect sa design mo. Canva also has a library of icons and illustration that you can add compared to your printable. Kung gusto mong madagdagan ng sarili mong images, click on Uploads on the left menu. Upload your image files and drag into your design. Canvas make it easy to crop, resize, and position your images. Once you are happy with your design, it's time to save and download your printable. I-click lang ang share button sa top right corner, tapos piliin ang download. Piliin ang preferred new file format. Para sa printables, kadalasan PDF print ang best option para sa high-quality printing. After downloading, you can print your design at home or take it to a professional print shop. Make sure to use high-quality paper for best results. There you have it, your very own custom printable made with Canva. Sana nakatulong ang video na ito. Kung oo, please give me a thumbs up and mag-subscribe para sa mas marami pang design tips at tutorial. Happy designing! Thanks for watching. See you next time. I'm Yue. Ciao.